When we talk about conflict in relationships, we often think it's about communication or compatibility. But what's really happening underneath is nervous system dynamics. When two people are triggered at the same time, it's not just a disagreement, it's two nervous systems colliding, each trying to protect itself. Each nervous system has survival strategies. Some of us fight, some fawn, some freeze, some flee. None of these are wrong, they're automatic responses shaped by our history. What's important to understand is that partners often have opposite reactions to the same underlying fear. One pushes, the other pulls. Both are trying to stay safe. In this dynamic, one partner is a conflict avoider. Their nervous system shuts down when things feel intense. They need emotional safety before they can engage. The other partner is a fixer. They move toward the problem, trying to solve it quickly. For them, action is how safety is restored. One shuts down, one tries to fix. Here, both partners are afraid, but in different ways. The pursuer moves closer, asking for reassurance and connection. They're afraid of losing the relationship. The withdrawer moves away to regulate themselves. They're afraid of being overwhelmed. One moves towards, the other moves away. In this dynamic, one partner processes through logic. They need clarity, facts, and time to think. The other processes through emotion. They need validation, empathy, and emotional presence first. Both are trying to make sense of what's happening, just through different pathways. The critic often leads with control or correction, driven by the shame and fear of being wrong. The people pleaser adapts and overfunctions to keep the peace, driven by fear of abandonment. One protects through criticism, the other protects through self-erasure. In this cycle, one partner holds everything in. They minimize, avoid, and suppress until they can't anymore. The other reacts explosively when emotions spill over. Neither is the problem, the cycle is. When one partner is regulated and the other is trauma-triggered, it can feel confusing or unfair. The triggered partner isn't choosing dysregulation. Their nervous system is overwhelmed. The secure partner isn't detached. They're regulated. Healing happens when regulation becomes shared, not demanded. These dynamics aren't about who's right or wrong. They're about understanding how your nervous systems learn to survive. And when couples learn to regulate together, conflict becomes a place of connection instead of danger. Follow for more content.